How to create splines in Unreal Engine 5. First, select here and select Modeling. Now I clicked Join Spline. Left click to create linear line. Left click and just the mouse, you will create the curve. Accept. And now we have a spline. And this point, if I want to make it have the handle, I select it and right click and select spline point type and change to linear. And now you still can see this point don't have the handle. So I select it again and right click and select to curve. Yes, you can see this point have the handle now. So I do it again. And you can see I need to two steps to make this handle. If I don't want this point, just delete it. And also you can drag this point and you can rotation it and drag this handle. Sometimes you drag these handles make the sprites smoother. The next thing, if I want to add a point, move the mouse to here, right click, add spline point here, and you can see we create the new point. Yeah, you can rotation it. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.